Good day, guys. I am Martin Weider, founder and CEO of Weider 360. We create a lot of 3D models using drones. And as you know, over the last year or so, I've been using 13D.ai heavily. And actually 10 days ago or something, 13D made a massive update. And I'm not going to show you all the features because they're quite a bit. I will show you which features I found very useful. So let's get started. When you go to 13D.ai, you go to the app. And here you have the dashboard. First of all, we have a map, a nice interactive map on where our 3D models are located, right? So this is kind of handy just to be able to find the models faster if you know exactly where you captured them. Okay. Right now, you go to Birkholmsvej 11, for example, this 3D model, and you can see there's a small V2, which means version 2. When I go ahead and click on the three dots, I have an option to create a new version, and that's exactly what I did. So first, I captured a model in the evening. It was quite dark and the model turned out quite bad. After that, I uploaded a version 2. Let me show you. So you open the model and this is now the version 2, right? And up in the left corner, you can switch between the old model and the new model. Now for construction sites and cell towers, for example, this is very valuable. Let me turn on the curtain also, because you can directly see and compare both 3D models. So for a construction site, for example, you can track what has changed over the last week or over the month. It depends on how often you upload a new model. So in this way, you can basically create a lot of new versions, right? And then see exactly how it looks, what differences you have. You can see, for example, this is the model which I captured in the evening, and this is in the day. Much better detail. And then you also have some buttons here called timeline, for example. And then you can just start the timeline, and then it smoothly transitions from the old one to the new model. Another interesting feature which you have on some plans, I actually don't remember exactly on which subscriptions, but when you click here, now when you upload every model, you get two outputs. You have the photogrammetry model and you have the Gaussian Splatting, which is brand new for 13D. You go ahead here in the lower right corner, and here you can see Show Splats Viewer. So now you click on it and the Gaussian Splatting model is loading. It can take a bit of time if the model is very large. I think this was around 3,000 images and stuff. And then you can, especially for 3D models with a lot of trees or some other obstacles nearby, the Gaussian Splatting 3D model is much more clear and it's much better because, see, look at the trees. It is quite impressive. Okay. And then we go out in the clouds, yeah. Let's go back. Okay, so that was basically it. These were the features which I liked the most in 13D. If you want me to go deeper inside the update that 13D just had, then text me or something. We can think about it.